Hello and welcome back to Salty Tales.
Welcome back.
We have something really different today. Today is different. Today is really different, all right? We have here something that we never done before. These are two dry aged for 30 days prime picanhas, guys. I just cleaned them up. I'm gonna show you how to clean them up. I'm gonna show you pretty much everything about it. And we're gonna do an experiment today. And the experiment is gonna be who can cook this thing better. Mr. Pan over here, or Miss Ninja over there. So, as always, I'm gonna be filming and cooking. Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking too. And that other ninja is gonna be doing a bunch of stuff. And this guy here is gonna be doing a lot of crazy stuff too. So, let's go for it.
Let's go. Well, guys, as usual, don't forget to preheat your Ninja. So let's go ahead and do it. We're gonna turn it on, sear and saute, open our lid, and start. And we'll see you back in 5 minutes. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and set up our steaks. This is one, and this is the other one. So let's go ahead and set it up. Now we're gonna put a little bit of oil in it, just a little bit on each one. Okay, so let's get everything set up. Turn it on, air crisp, close your lid, 400. Let's give it about 7 minutes. We'll see you back in about 7 minutes.
Alright guys, we're ready with the other one. We're gonna try this one right now. This is gonna be really simple, a real usual way that we do the steak. Alright guys, this is a great experiment. Let's see if the Ninja FOODI can beat the pan, which I doubt it. I mean, the meat in the pan look a little bit better than in the Ninja FOODI. It doesn't look bad at all in the Ninja FOODI, okay? If you don't have a pan or if you don't want to deal with the oven or whatever, the Ninja FOODI does a really good job. I mean, what do you think?
I think it did a great job, but this one looks juicier. What do you think?
I mean, maybe remember we did it in the Ninja FOODI with the air fryer.
Yes.
Which here we did it with oil and butter. So of course it's gonna look juicy outside. I mean, we have to try it inside, and I'm ready to try it.
Let's go.
Let's go for it. Man, this
is the one from the Ninja FOODI.
All right, let's try the Ninja FOODI first, okay?
Yes.
Let's try that Ninja FOODI. It look good.
The fat looks like chicharrón, right?
Yeah, it looks really good. It's a little tough to cut.
It looks good.
I don't know if you guys can see it. It's medium well.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
I'm not a meat lover, guys.
I think it's good, but it's a little tougher. It's not. The flavor is really good, but it's a little tough. It's not like a really tender steak. It's a little tough, but the flavor is amazing, guys.
Yes.
I mean, if I get this in the restaurant, I would not complain. Oh, this is a nice wine. And let's try the pan. Let's go for the pan. Oof.
Let's try the pan one.
This one is already more tender. Really juicy inside. This is more like rare, medium rare.
I like the pan better. Pan is better. My ninja.
Okay, guys, I think the pan is better. It's more tender. It's juicier, but it's not that behind the Ninja.
No.
I mean, it's better. I mean, guys, the pan I think is better, definitely. The color inside the steak is better. It's a little more tender. It's full of flavor, exactly the same flavor than the Ninja FOODI. I don't know, maybe less time in the Ninja FOODI?
Probably.
We gave it 7 minutes, but we opened it up at 5 minutes, and the fat wasn't looking well cooked yet. So we gave it all the 7 minutes, and we checked it out, and it was looking good. But definitely, the one on the Ninja is a little less tender than this one. I don't know if you guys can see the colors there. This is the one on the pan. The colors are awesome, and it's really juicy inside. You can see the juices in there rendering and everything. I like it.
I'm gonna try some rice here.
Yeah, let's put some rice in here. All right, guys, there you have it. We did a great experiment today. It was a dry age for 30 days, picanha. We tried the Ninja FOODI. It came out really good. We tried in the pan. We compare each other, and I think the pan wins.
Yes.
The pan is the winner, guys. So, but the one in the Ninja wasn't bad at all. Okay, of course, if you compare one with the other, the one with the pan wins. Maybe if you put it in the Ninja for a little bit less time, as I told you, we checked it out at 5 minutes. It was looking good, but the fat wasn't cooked yet. So we gave it more extra 2 minutes, or you know, the whole run of the 7 minutes, and it came out really good.
Yes.
But definitely the pan wins. I think it's the fat. I think it's the oil in the pan. That's the one.
That's probably what it makes the difference. But it came out pretty good. So
there you go, guys. At least we did the test. You guys don't have to wait 30 days like we have to do to make the test. I mean, this picanha dry age 30 days is awesome. The best thing to do with this thing for real is to put it in a barbecue and cook it in a barbecue. But of course, we tried to do it in the Ninja and see what happened, and you see the results in here.
You know what? Our next video is gonna be a party video. Do you know why?
I don't know why.
We only need about 300 subscribers for 10,000.
I don't think we're gonna get it on the next video.
You don't think so?
No, I don't think
Guys, help us out. Help us out. We only need 300 and change.
Well, let's see what happens.
So let's do it.
So that's it, guys. This is our dinner. We're gonna eat it now. We're gonna finish these both steaks. They're awesome. I like them both. Just comparison here is the pan is better. So if you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Yes.
If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel. We try to come out with a new video every week.
Yes.
And if you have anything in mind, anything you have to say, any complaint, anything that you want to talk about, put it down there in the comments, guys.
And your recipes are coming. I read them all.
Yeah, we have a list with all the recipes that you guys recommended, and they're all coming up. So that's it for today, guys. Remember that I love you.
We love you.